Hey there, Internet Explorers. Have you ever felt like your online privacy is hanging by a thread? Well, what if I told you there's a VPN that could transform your online experience into a secure, worry-free adventure? Stick around because today we are diving into NordVPN. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's the perfect digital shield for you. Let's go. So NordVPN, it's like the superhero of the world with a reputation that's hard to beat. It offers fantastic features and solid security. Whether you want to binge watch your favorite shows without geo-blocks or simply browse the web without prying eyes, NordVPN promises to deliver. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with security. NordVPN uses AES 256 encryption, which is like a fortress for your data. This is the gold standard in the industry, so you can rest easy knowing your information is safe. They also have a strict no-logs policy, meaning they won't track your online activities. And get this policy has been independently audited. How cool is that? Next up, let's talk about their server network. With over 5,800 servers in more than 60 countries, NordVPN makes sure you can always find a fast server nearby. This means faster browsing and streaming. Whether you are accessing Netflix or BBC iPlayer, you will have plenty of options. Now, let's get to performance. NordVPN is known for its impressive speeds. Most users experience only a slight dip in speed. Think around 10 to 20%. That's pretty fantastic for a VPN. Plus, with the NordLynx protocol based on WireGuard, you can enjoy seamless streaming and gaming without annoying lags. What about user experience? Well, the app is user-friendly, which is great news for beginners. You can connect to a server with just one click. Plus, the interface is clean and easy to navigate, so you won't feel overwhelmed. And if you ever run into trouble, NordVPN's got your back with 24/7 customer support, whether you prefer live chat or email. Their support system is super responsive and ready to help you out. No more waiting days for a reply. Now, let's chat about pricing. NordVPN offers various plans. The monthly plan is $11.99, but if you go for the yearly plan, it drops to just $4.99 per month. And for the best deal, check out their 2-year plan at $3.69 per month. You can also enjoy 70% off NordVPN and get 3 extra months. Plus, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. I've got a link to NordVPN in the description below. Alright, every superhero has a few flaws, right? Here are the pros and cons of NordVPN. Let's start with the pros. Strong security features, fast speeds with NordLynx, a massive server network, great for streaming, user-friendly apps. Now the cons. Higher renewal costs. Some users report occasional speed hiccups. The browser extension could use some work. So, is NordVPN the ultimate online shield? It certainly has a lot going for it. Strong security, great speed, and the user experience, a friendly user experience rather, make it a solid choice for anyone serious about their online privacy. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried NordVPN or are you considering it? What's your experience with VPNs? Let's chat in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free VPN Mastery Bundle linked in the description. And if you're looking for handy tools to compare VPN speeds, estimate usage costs, or even check out for DNS leaks, I've got you covered with some fantastic free tools. Also, the links to these tools is in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing content, and share it with your friends who need to secure their online lives. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe online.
Online safe, night and day, protection in every way. Guard your world from a cyber threat with a shield you won't forget. Navigate through a cyber sea, trust in us, you'll be worry-free. Firewalls and passwords strong, here with us you belong. Digital defense, don't you stress, we got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need, in cybersecurity we lead. Encrypted paths and layered walls, there for you whenever danger calls. Securing every single byte, keeping you safe day and night. Bytes and codes we understand, your digital world is in good hands. From phishing scams to malware's lair, we'll be the ones to keep you there. Digital defense, don't you stress, we got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need, in cybersecurity we lead. Bytes and codes we understand, your digital world is in good hands. From phishing scams to malware's lair, we'll be the ones to keep you there. Digital defense, don't you stress, we got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need, in cybersecurity.